In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create and then verify your OKX crypto account. So firstly, you're going to have to come to okx.com. You can either type that in or I'll have a link in the description below. If you go ahead and click on that, it will take you here. Now you can do this on the computer or you can do it on phone. The process is basically the same. So you need to enter in your email address and then click try OKX. Once you've done that, select the country that you live, agree to the terms and then click on next. Then you'll have an option to enter in a referral code. My link or my code will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and type that in. I think it will make you eligible for a bonus if you do deposit in a certain amount of time. So just type in basically anyone's referral code and yeah, you can then click sign up. Then you're going to need to verify your email, so enter in the code that they do send you. And then once you've done that, enter in your personal number, which again you're going to need to verify and then enter in the code that they send. Now we've done that, we can quickly create our password and go on to the verification process. Okay, so we've actually created our account now, but a created account without it being verified is not very useful. So now we're going to verify it. So for most of you, you are going to be an individual who wants to trade, send and receive crypto. So click on that and then click verify identity. Again, if you're on the phone or the computer, it will be very similar. So we'll go ahead and click verify now. You need to then confirm where you live and this needs to match what it says on your ID. Then we can go ahead and take a photo of the ID, submit proof of address and complete a quick questionnaire. So we'll go ahead and skip through this. We'll click next. Now this process can actually be done on the phone, so we can go ahead and then scan the QR and it will open up the camera app where we can then confirm our ID and then just prove that we are human and we are who we say we are. And there we go, that's all done. It can now take up to 2 minutes. I believe this is done via a bot. It's not actually a real human, but as long as you've inputted the correct details, it should be all good. So confirm the personal info, you can change it if anything's wrong. And then you need to go ahead and verify your address. Now OKX is regulated and the options that you can use are either the bank verification, which allows you to log in through your bank and they're going to verify who you are based on your bank, or you can manually upload a document which includes statements, utility bill, title deed, or a rent agreement. Now we can go ahead and upload our bank statement manually. Again, this is only for the manual verification. If you've chosen to automatically verify via the bank, then you should get approved instantly and not have to do any of this. So now we're under review. In up to 24 hours, we should be approved. If you chose the automatic method, it may go through instant, but that is how you can sign up and get all verified.